Lion DOT3 brake fluid minimizes leakage with excellent elastomeric systems component compatibility, has a long service life with resistance to oxidation and corrosion, has high temperature stability, low temperature fluidity, and is available in various sizes. First, while parked on a level surface, depress the brake pedal approximately 30 times. Next, remove the cap from the bottle. Then, remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir and pour the fluid up to the reservoir fill line. Finally, replace the reservoir cap and pump the brakes approximately 30 times. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.